Today I'm going to show you how to use your Chromebook. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put in your username. Right in this box, you're going to put your first two initials and then the random set of numbers that is your student ID number. And then you're going to hit the next button. Then you're going to put in the password. It is a random set of letters and two numbers to represent your grade level. Your grade level would be like 0, 1 for first grade, 0, 2 for second grade. I don't know what pre-K is. And then the first letter would be capital. Then you're going to hit the next button once you're done with all that, and you should move on to the desktop. The desktop is going to have a taskbar here at the bottom with all the things you need, which is Google Chrome, Google Classroom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, the Office, Google Drive, all the Google things. Yeah. Then you're going to move on to switching accounts if you share the Chromebook with anyone else. What you're going to do, you're going to go to the bottom right, and you are going to hit this little thing. It's not going to look like a button, but it's going to have the time, the battery, the Wi-Fi. It's going to have information on your computer, and then it's going to come up with this HUD. You're going to go all the way to the top of the HUD to the left, and you're going to hit the sign out button. And that should sign you out, and then for the next user, you just repeat this process.